Nashville Somali TV began about 2 years ago. We come through the community access TV, and mainly we just report about events in our Nashville community or in Tennessee in general. Sometimes we talk about the national political issues, but our focus is to keep our Somali community in Nashville informed about Nashville and what's going on here, to connect them to the community they are in right now, instead of focusing what's going on in Somalia, which they worry about a lot, but they cannot do something about it. They live here right now, so we try to get them to focus what's going on in this community, their new home, and at the same time we want to keep our place and show our community that we are advanced, we have businesses, we have TV, and we can all succeed here.
In order to have go to school, that bill and that legislation helps them go to school. So why wouldn't you do something to help your own brother, your own sister, your own cousin, aunt, uncle, etc.? So that's what the English only bill is. And